Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here. Just got off of US Highway 14 east of Janesville and got onto Chaupier Milton Road. And primarily the only reason to hit this road is because there's a little railroad bridge right up here that I like going under. That's it. I'm doing another elongated ride to work. Today I left about an hour early, and I'm starting to kind of meander my way back into Beloit. Yeah, look at this old bridge. Check that thing out. That's cool. But there's a few things I wanted to talk to you guys about, some things that's been going on in my life. In my last video, my last vlogging video anyway, I didn't want to talk anything about work because I was afraid I was going to start complaining too much. Today though, I want to talk about work because some good stuff has actually been happening to me. I went to my supervisor and his boss and told them that I cannot do this one particular aspect of my job. It's just too physically demanding. My body can't do it anymore. You know, my back has been hurting, my legs are hurting, my feet are hurting. And they actually offered me a different position within the company, which is basically everything I would do after that big physical aspect of my current job. And so I said, yes, I will do that. Now, I don't know when I'm going to start this new position. Right now, I'm still in the same department. I can go. So, hopefully by the time you guys see this video, which will probably be up in about another week or two. Big silos there. Alright. You don't want to do the speed limit? I do. So yeah, they offered me this new position, which is basically all the easier, physically easier stuff of my current position. It's just that I have to do it all day long. You know, there's no real change. Hours should stay the same, still on second shift. I don't know about my scheduling days off though. I'd have to talk to my new supervisor and boss to make sure that, you know, what I currently have set up can stay in place. I'm hoping it can. I really do. But if things change, things change. So yeah, things are kind of looking up for me, and I'm hoping that, you know, I'll be able to recover from these pains that I've been having. The worst thing right now is that plantar fasciitis that I've developed in my feet. I'm hoping that the damage is not so extensive that it just won't heal. That is very much a possibility. Wow, these are some nice hills over here. Oh, look at the horsies! I think my voice just jumped like 2 octaves. Man, I need to ride this road more often. So yeah, for the plantar fasciitis, I actually ordered some special compression socks, and it basically just goes over the arch and heel of my foot. Oh, sorry, burped a little. It just goes over the arch and heel of my foot, and it's supposed to help relieve the pain and whatnot. Oh. I don't like that sign. It says loose gravel. I wonder if they might have put some pea gravel on here during the summer, because I'm not really hearing it clinking around on my bike. So I think most of it's been compressed into the pavement. It doesn't feel like I'm riding on marbles. So I've been wearing those specialty compression socks, and I also keep myself fairly well medicated during work. So I'm feeling decent, but I don't want to rely on drugs all the time to make myself feel decent. I want to you know, I want these pains to go away, and it's quite the possibility that it won't. The damage might have been done, and now I just have to live with that pain all the time. It kind of scares me to say that, but it is quite possible. But only time will tell. So I'll, like I said, hopefully I'll start the new position here soon, in that, and everything will start feeling better. And of course I'll update you guys when that happens. Like I said, hopefully it'll be within the next week that I'll start this new position. I just don't know. And I'm going to go by one of my favorite spots. I like that old bridge that we went under, that old rail bridge, and now we're going to go down this road to another old rail bridge called the 5-Arch Stone Bridge here in Tiffany. And yes, there is a small town right over there. It's got like, you know, 30 houses to it. But right over here, off to our right, is the 5-Arch Stone Bridge. Nice. I just love this area. I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. I'll update you later on life issues, work issues, ideas, thoughts, concerns, and maybe I'll even update you someday on what I'm looking at for a new bike. I've got about 4 of them in mind, and yeah, maybe I'll update you to let you know what I'm looking at. And sorry, it's actually kind of cold, so my nose is dripping. So I'll let you know what I'm looking at. Love this bridge too. Alright, well, this is Mark saying thank you so much for watching, and always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys.